So hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sai, and today we'll be making face masks. We're making this because we don't want to catch the COVID-19. So let's get started. We will need cotton fabric, a half-inch thick elastic, sewing pins, and measuring tape. You want to measure from your nose to your chin. For me, that is 7 inches. Ear to ear. For me, that's 11 inches. And around your head, starting from the ear, ending in the ear, that's 16 inches. After you've gotten all of your measurements, let's go to your fabric.
You will fold the fabric 2 times and mark the width, however long it is from nose to chin, and mark the length from when you measured it from ear to ear. You will then cut your fabric. Next, cut the elastics to the size that is large enough to fit your head from when you made the measurement around your head. Now, I like to add a half-inch seam allowance, but you don't really have to. Pin the 2 elastics to both ends of that rectangle fabric that you've made. After you finish pinning, sew it and make sure to leave a little hole, make around like 1 inch so that you can flip it over. Isn't that looking pretty? After you flipped it over, close the hole with pins and make however many pleats that you want. I am doing 3, but you could do 2. If it's long enough, you can do 4. It's your mask, so you can make however many pleats you like. And then you want to top stitch the whole mask. That'll give some security to the mask and to the elastic, and it'll close up the hole and sew the pleats. It also makes the mask look more professional.
And this is the finished product. If you like this week's video, hit that like button, and if you want to be in this club, subscribe. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every week when I make a new video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.